In this video, I will answer your questions about how to use Spacedesk on Mac and whether it's actually possible to do this. Let's dive in. What is Spacedesk? As you may know, Spacedesk is a free to-use tool that allows you to extend your main computer display to other devices, such as tablets, phones, or even other computers. It's a popular solution for creating a multi-monitor setup without buying additional physical monitors. The short answer, if we visit the official Spacedesk website, we can clearly see that the driver, the software that runs on your main computer, is only available for Windows 10 and Windows 11. There is no official Mac driver listed. So the short answer is no. Spacedesk does not officially support Mac as a primary device. What about using Spacedesk Viewer on Mac? While you cannot run the Spacedesk driver on a Mac to make it the primary display source, you can use a Mac as a secondary display by installing the Spacedesk Viewer. The viewer is available for iOS devices, iPhone, iPad, Android devices, web browsers, HTML5, Amazon devices. What some users have reported, I did some additional research and found that some users claim they were able to get Spacedesk working on Mac by downloading the Windows 10 11th driver, running it through a web browser or emulation. However, I cannot confirm how reliable or functional these workarounds are. I could only find one video from several years ago showing this process actually working. My recommendation, if you have a Windows PC, Spacedesk works perfectly as intended. If you have a Mac and want to use it as your primary display source, there is no official support, and workarounds are unverified. You can use your Mac as a secondary display by installing the Spacedesk Viewer and connecting to a Windows PC running the driver. Purpose of this video: the goal of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to provide clarity about Spacedesk's limitations with Mac. If you're willing to experiment, you can try the unofficial methods, but be aware that they may not work reliably. So, to summarize, Spacedesk driver, Windows only, no official Mac support. Spacedesk Viewer, available for iOS, Android, and web browsers. Using Mac as primary display, not officially supported. Using Mac as secondary display, yes, through the Viewer app. If this video answered your questions, please consider subscribing to the channel. According to our analytics, 83% of viewers watching our videos aren't subscribed yet. By subscribing, you help us create higher quality content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.